What's up guys? Ngayong araw muli niyo ako samahan na mag-react sa banda Sweet Notes. Ito yung kanilang cover song na kanta ni Sarah G. Maybe This Time. Ayan, napakalupit ng pagkakanta ni Charlotte dito. Panoorin natin kung gaano kagaling ang bandang Sweet Notes.
She's smiling like she used to smile way back then. She's feeling like she used to feel.
Di ba? Ang kulit ni BJ sumayaw, ano? Gayang-gaya yung sa TikTok yung nag-trending.
Way back when they tried, but something kept it.
Ayan, nagbato ng t-shirt si Charlotte.
Waiting for this magic moment.
Swerte nung nakapulot. Nakakuha ng t-shirt. Naririnig ko yung hiyawan ng mga tao, guys. Grabe. Ang dami talaga sumusuporta sa bandang Sweet Notes.
Para sa mga na-friend zone. Kasi mga gi-friend zone niya.
Ang dami nag-react, na friend zone.
Come on guys, sing with me. I know you know this song. Come on.
Halos lahat naman alam yung na yan. Kanta na yan, syempre, di ba? Napakagandang love song. Tapos revive pa ni Sarah G. Yung Maybe This Time. Tingnan naman natin kung gaano kaganda yung version naman ni Charlotte.
Two old friends meet again.
Grabe yun. Pasok pa lang. Sigawan na yung mga tao sa ganda ng boses ni Charlotte.
We're in other faces and talk about the places they've been. Two old sweethearts who
Ang lamig ng boses,
fell apart somewhere long ago.
Ayun na doon si BJ, nagkulit na naman. Sumasayaw doon sa likuran.
How are they to know?
Buti hindi nawawala sa focus si Charlotte sa pagkanta.
Someday they meet again and have a need for more than reminiscing.
Ito rin yung isang bintahe ng banda Sweet Notes. Hindi lang sila magaling na singer at musikero. Magaling din sila magpatawa. Lalo to si BJ.
Come on!
Napapakanta nila yung mga audience, Galing.
She's back in his life and it feels so right. Maybe this time love won't end.
Mararamdaman mo talaga yung emosyon ni dito. Charlotte dito sa kanta na to, Siguro isa to sa mga favorite niyang kanta ni Sarah G.
Excited na sumayaw?
Ayan na mga alien, sayaw-sayaw, Choy.
Ang cute ng boses ni BJ.
It's the same old feeling back again. It's the one they had way back when they were too young to know it.
Ang ganda rin ng pagkakagawa ng -1 nila dito. Napaka-quality.
And love is real, but somehow
Kulit ni BJ. Nag-Michael Jackson.
some things never change, and even time hasn't cooled the flame. It's burning even brighter than it did before.
Marami na nag-aabang, guys, doon sa t-shirt.
Come on, sing with me. It had another chance, and if they take it, maybe this time it'll be love and they'll find.
Nag-second voice pa si BJ. Napakalupit ng kanilang harmony,
Maybe now they can be more than just friends. She's back in his life.
Daming tao. Makita mo yung mga tao doon sa dulo. Hanggang dulo meron eh. Mga nakabukas pa yung mga cellphone.
And it feels so right. Maybe this time love won't end. Sama-sama.
Ayan na. Mukhang hataw si ano dito. Si BJ.
She's smiling like she used to smile way back then. She's feeling like she used to
Diba? Kabisado ni BJ Step.
feel way back when asa na mga dancer? Something, isa pa. Waiting for the
Ayan, tignan natin yung mga audience kung napapasayaw din dito sa trending na ano na to. Kanta ni Sarah.
this magic love. She's smiling like she used to smile way back then. She's
Inaluan pa ng Michael Jackson yan eh. Step ni BJ.
feeling like she used to feel way back when they tried. Isa pa, wag pa ko'y nakita. One more time. Waiting for this
Wala talaga ng BJ. Pinakita niya pa yung braso niya. Naglabas pa ng muscle eh.
magic love. She's smiling like she used to smile way back then. She's feeling like she used to feel way back when they tried. But something can
Ayun, may sumasayaw sa harap guys. Mukhang doon ibabato ni Charlotte yung t-shirt.
tell. Waiting for this magic moment.
Pinagagawan. Grabe no. Grabe yung birit ni Charlotte na yun. Kukuha niya yung sa part ni yung boses ni Sarah G. Doon sa part na yun.
Maybe this time he'll be love until fine. Maybe now they can't be more than just friends. Oh,
Ang ganda rin ng setup ng kanilang stage show. Meron pang pausok. Smoke effects.
she's back in his life, and it feels so right. Maybe this time,
Ayun, nandun din yung may kasama si BJ. Ayun yung assistant niya siguro to. Yung may bit-bit ng kanyang gitara.
maybe this time, love won't end.
Grabe.
Palakpakan ng mga sarili.
Lupit talaga ni Charlotte.
Wow,
Ano?
thank you so much.
Bagay na bagay sa kanya tong kanta na to. Maybe this time. Grabe yan. O diba guys? Napakalupit talaga ng bandang Sweet Notes pagdating sa kantahan tugtugan. Ayan, sa mga hindi pa nakasubscribe sa kanilang channel guys, andiyan po sa ating description yung kanilang channel. Suportahan natin at panoorin yung kanilang mga napakagagandang kanta. At kung mahilig ka naman sa ganitong klaseng reaction video, mag-subscribe ka na rin para ma-notify ka sa mga susunod pa nating i-react na video ng bandang Sweet Notes at ng iba pang mga Pinoy artists. Maraming salamat sa inyong panonood.